Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So if you want to reset your Royal Match game, I'm going to talk about it with you today. So if you want to reset your progress, unfortunately there's no official way to do this, as said in the official peakgameshelpshift.com guide. As you can see, if you delete the game and reinstall it, your progress will not be lost, as we do not want our users to lose their progress if they delete the game by mistake. That's quite good actually. So unfortunately, it's not possible to reset your progress. So my friends, the only way to bypass this sort of is to delete your account. So if maybe you want to start fresh, you can just delete your account. So you will need to do certain steps to do that. So account deletion takes up to 7 days. And guys, how to do this? So just open the game on your device, click on the icon. So to open up the settings, select support, then tap account deletion to view details about the process. So after that, you once again click contact us in the top right corner, then type delete my account. And also do not forget in the chat to provide your player ID to basically start the process itself, because if they don't know your ID, they won't be able to delete your account and reset the process. After that, submit the request and wait for 7 days. So guys, hopefully this helped you out. Enjoy, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.